Hello there, good to have you. Still enjoying the sun. As you can see, it is in the evening and it's very hot here. So today we look at linear inequalities, a topic in Form 2, tested in Paper 2 as a short question. Have a variety of expectations. We'll be looking at one by one with the time. So actually it's a part that you can always predict that it's a part that will always be in any standard paper 2, so meaning in the expected KCSE we expect a question of that magnitude. So enjoy the lesson. So linear inequalities solve the simultaneous inequalities given and represent the solution on a number line. So 2x plus 3 greater or equal to x minus 4 greater 3x minus 2. So x minus 4 is treated to be shared by both inequalities. So we form the first inequality and we call it number 1. Then again, inequality number 2 will be x minus 4 greater than 3 into x minus 2. So x minus 4 is the inequality for the two equations, and that's the first task, to separate the two, and then we can solve the 2 by correcting the like terms. So we have 2x minus x greater or equal to minus 4 minus 3, and this becomes 2x greater or equal to negative 7. Greater or equal to negative 7. So the first inequality, or the first part of the simultaneous, is solved. So we move on to the second. So again we correct the right terms, x minus, so here we are supposed to have 3, so we first open that bracket into 3x minus 6, then x minus 3x greater minus 6 plus 4. So we are collecting the like terms together. Then we have negative 2x greater than negative 2. So whenever we are dividing by a negative coefficient, the sign should always change. That's a fact. So in this case, we'll have x less than 1. We divided with a negative sign, and therefore the sign changed to less. So we then combine the two to have x at the center. On the left hand side, we have the negative part. So x greater or equal to negative 7 and x less than 1. So that is the solution. So these now can be represented on a number line. So we draw a number line showing all these integers from about 2, positive 2 to about negative 8. And then a number line should always have the arrows, and then we can represent the solution on this number line. So that is one case of answering this question. The other one is talking about listing the integral values, and we'll talk about it, though it's not asked on this particular question. So x less than 1. So at 1 we are going to circle that point. X greater or equal to negative 7. So we are supposed to circle and shade because of the part or equal, greater or equal. So the part that is greater is negative 6 towards 0, and the part that's less than 1 is towards 0 at the same time, and then we indicate the arrows, and that is the solution represented on a number line. So another question you can get on